The Trust Gaming GXT 838 Dion is a 7.1 surround headset which offers cross-compatibility with multiple platforms including PC, Xbox One and PlayStation 4. In addition, the Dion also features bass-activated vibration and an optical input. The design of these headsets is subtle with single-color LED illumination on the sides in the shape of a ring. The only animation available for these LEDs is a breathing mode from the factory. The ear cushions are soft and have a synthetic leather surface. Unfortunately, these are not removable. The rigidity of the structure is given by two metallic flat beams that connect the ear cups, while the headband is independent and flexible. The headband itself is soft and covered by leather on the top side. However, the contact is done through three soft synthetic pads. The surface of these pads is textured to allow the material to breathe. The height of the ear cups is self-adjusted by the elasticity of the headband. The connection between the ear cups case and the headband is done by two flexible wires that provide a better balance of the band and of course also feature a robust construction. In terms of actual structural integrity, the Dion are flexible and have a good clamping pressure. While testing the structure seen here, the headsets made no sounds, such as the plastic panels rubbing against each other or the metallic beams squeaking from the bending. This level of build quality is often seen on more expensive products, so far the Dions are looking very good. The controls of the headsets are placed on a remote installed on the cable. This includes controls such as bass vibration level, headset volume, console game volume, and mute microphone. In addition, there is also a status LED placed next to the microphone mute button. However, there is a catch with this remote, because for all the controls previously mentioned to work, the headset must be connected to the digital connect box all the time. Speaking of which, the cross-platform compatibility is possible thanks to what Trust calls digital connect box. It is essentially a port hub and external sound card that splits into multiple inputs and outputs. It also controls the status of the bass vibration function. So this means that essentially if the headsets are not connected to the box, then the on-cable remote is not functional, leaving you with a pair of headsets working at maximum volume all the time. This is probably one of the biggest oversights for these headsets, because in order to get the best sound quality out of the 50mm drivers, you would use the Dion 7.1 with either an amplifier or an external DAC. The Dion 7.1 has a 3-meter long cable with two connectors meant for the digital connect box. The two connectors are part as a single 3.5mm audio jack and a mini USB data cable. As previously mentioned, while the mini USB connector is meant for the digital connect box and nothing else, the audio jack can be successfully used for an external amplifier, DAC or sound card. The omnidirectional condenser microphone used in the case of the GXT 838 Dion is retractable and placed on the left ear cup. This microphone is also flexible and will maintain its shape after bending. It's a great design that has been used before and provides a good microphone in a very small enclosure. Speaking of the microphone, this is how it sounds plugged into the digital connect box. The interface is then connected to a standard USB 3.0 header. As you can hear, there is no background noise being picked up and the sound of the keyboard is like this. For gaming and voice talking, this omnidirectional microphone is good enough for what it is. While being advertised as a gaming headset with cross-platform compatibility, the GXT 838 Dion offers great sound quality and balance. The sound signature is neutral with deep bass, while the mid and low frequencies are detailed. The overall gaming experience is very good. In stereo mode, the headsets performed great and the 7.1 mode offers more sound localization. However, some sound detail is lost while in 7.1 mode. The Trust Gaming GXT 383 Dion 7.1 have a great sound signature with quality and detailed low and mid frequencies and good bass out of the box. The Connect box and the cross-platform system works as intended and offers plenty of flexibility for using the headset with multiple platforms at the same time. While there are functions and design elements that could have been done better, the GXT 383 Dion 7.1, which by the way Trust, it's a very long name again, are an affordable pair of headsets that have a great sound signature and offer an experience that is often found with headsets that are more expensive. Also, the Dion are reasonably priced depending on what version you get.